Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am diving into a robot vacuum that honestly feels like it's from the future. The Dreame L40 Ultra robot vacuum. And before we get rolling, let me give you a quick insider tip. If you want the full in-depth article with all the specs, comparisons, and my personal notes, I've linked it down below in the description and also pinned it in the very first comment. So yes, you can totally multitask. Listen to me now and geek out later. Now, let's be real. Most of us don't dream about vacuuming. In fact, if you do, we need to talk. But the truth is, clean floors make our homes feel instantly better, and that's where the Dreame L40 Ultra steps in. And no, it's not just another Me Too robot vacuum. This one comes packed with some pretty wild features like 11,000 PA suction power, a removable and liftable mop, and even a self-cleaning washboard system that gets hotter than my hair straightener, 149-degree time to be exact. Yep, this little guy literally washes its own mop pads with steaming hot water so you don't have to. Imagine not touching dirty mop water again. That's already a win. But here is the kicker. The Dreame L40 Ultra isn't trying to be perfect, it's trying to be smart. I've been in the robot vacuum game since the early Roomba days, when having one meant babysitting it so it didn't eat your phone charger. Fast forward, and this Dreame has seriously upped the game with AI-powered navigation and object avoidance. Is it flawless? Nope. But for real life, pets, kids, random socks on the floor, it is good enough to make vacuuming something I almost never think about anymore. And honestly, that's the goal. Now let's talk solutions, because that's what you care about, right? Problem number 1, pet hair. If you've got a long-haired dog or cat, you know the struggle. Fur tumbleweeds rolling across your hardwood floors like it's the Wild West. The L40 Ultra eats that up. I've tested it with a beagle who sheds like it's her part-time job, and the Dreame leaves the floor spotless. Even rugs look cleaner without me lifting a finger. I went from vacuuming daily to only needing to check in every couple of weeks. That's time back in my life. And trust me, that's priceless. Problem number 2, mopping. I'll admit it, I used to hate mopping more than vacuuming. It's messy, it's annoying, and it always felt like a chore. But the extendable and liftable side mop on this robot makes it almost fun. It pushes out to clean along edges and wiggles to scrub better. And when it's done, it literally washes itself. I'm not kidding. The mop pads go through their own mini spa day, complete with that steaming 149-degree washboard. My floors stay clean, and I never have to deal with gross mop heads. If you've ever let your mop sit too long and smelled, you know exactly why this is a game changer. Problem number 3, constant babysitting. So many robot vacuums get stuck, spin in circles, or cry out for help like a toddler in a toy store. But this one, it's smarter. The Dreame L40 Ultra not only empties itself when full, it also refills its own water tank. That's right, auto-empty and auto-refill. Translation: you don't have to touch it for weeks at a time. It even sends a picture if it finds something unusual on the floor. Like, hey, is this sock important or can I eat it? That's the kind of sass I can get behind. And let's not forget usability. Setup was ridiculously fast, the app is straightforward, and the whole system is quiet, both when cleaning and when emptying itself. You can also hook it up to voice control, which is one of those small joys in life. Alexa, tell Dreame to clean the kitchen, and boom, it's handled. Of course, I've also compared it to some of the heavy hitters like the Roborock Q-Master, Ecovacs T80 Omni, and even my old Roomba S9. And here's the thing. Those are all great machines, but the improvements they offer don't justify the price jump. The Dreame L40 Ultra delivers flagship-level performance at a mid-range cost. I grabbed mine for under $600 on Prime Day, and honestly, that felt like highway robbery in my favor. Now, fair warning. No robot vacuum is perfect. Sometimes navigation is a little quirky. Sometimes you'll need to reset a map if you forget to open all the doors. And yes, if you expect it to replace deep cleaning entirely, you'll be disappointed. But if you want a vacuum that saves you time, keeps your floors looking fresh, and makes life easier without you thinking about it every day, the Dreame L40 Ultra is a fantastic investment. So here's my takeaway. Don't overpay for tiny incremental upgrades. Robot vacuums are evolving so fast that spending over $1,000 just doesn't make sense anymore. The Dreame L40 Ultra hits the sweet spot of value, performance, and smart features, and it is the one I'd recommend right now if you're on the fence. Remember, you can check out the full detailed article with even more specs, comparisons, and my test results via the link in the description and the first comment. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home tech insights, and drop your questions below. I love geeking out over this stuff with you all, because at the end of the day, clean floors shouldn't be your problem. That's literally why robots exist. And if one can clean my dog's mess while I sit here talking to you, then yeah, I'd call that a win.